A layer of plastic clay is subjected to the following conditions. So, meron tayong mga given. So, initial intergranular pressure. Ang symbol nito is P sub O. Increase in intergranular pressure. Ang symbol naman nito is change in P. Thickness of clay layer. Ang symbol naman nito is H. Coefficient of consolidation. CC naman ito. Then, meron tayong initial void ratio. E sub O. Ang pinapahanap sa atin is yung plastic settlement. Ang symbol niyan is change in H. Bali, ang formula dito is change in H is equal to CCH all over 1 plus E sub O logarithm of final pressure all over initial pressure. So, mag-substitute na lang tayo. Ang CC natin, 0.315. H natin is 8 meters all over 1 plus initial void ratio times logarithm of final pressure. Ang final pressure natin, ito yung initial pressure plus the change in pressure. Kaya, ang final pressure natin is 200 plus 120 or 320 kilopascals. Then, all over initial pressure na 200. Pakikalkyo na lang, ang sagot dito is 0.242 meters. Okay? Next, number 7. The permeameter in a permeability test setup involves a soil sample 200 mm diameter. So, may binigay dito, may diameter tayo na 200 millimeters. And a length of 300 meters. So, may binigay sa atin na length 300 mm. Then, the height of water is kept constant at 400 mm in duration of 4 minutes. Bale, may binigay dito na height daw ng tubig, which is kept constant at 400 mm. So, since sinabi dito na constant, ang ibig sabihin nito is constant head test pala tayo. Kasi may dalawa yan. Una, yung constant head. Pangalawa, falling head. So, ang H natin is 400 mm. Then, ang time niya is 4 minutes. Water was collected in a graduated flask having a volume of 320 cubic centimeters. So, may binigay rin na volume. 320 cubic centimeters. Ang pinapahanap sa atin is the coefficient of permeability or itong K. Ang units niya daw is centimeters per hour. Bale, yung hinahanap na units is naka-centimeters per hour. Kaya dapat, i-convert natin yung mga given into centimeters at hour. So, unahin natin itong 200 mm. So, tandaan nyo, sa isang centimeters, mayroong 10 mm. Bale, itong 200 mm in centimeters, 20 centimeters ito. Itong 300 naman, 20, Itong 300 mm naman, 30 centimeters yan. Itong 400, 40 centimeters. Then, itong 4 minutes, 4 over 60 hour. Okay? Then, ang formula kapag constant head is VL over AHT. So, mag-substitute na lang tayo. 320. Ang length natin, 30. Ang area natin is pi over 4 times diameter squared. Then, ang height natin is 40. Time natin is 4 over 60. Paki-compute na lang. Ang sagot dito is 11.46 centimeters per hour. Answer.